Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account and Windows security identity verification. And in this video, I will show you on how to verify your Microsoft account identity in order to synchronize your password in your device, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your startup menu right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to accounts. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to your info. That's then you have account settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on verify. Then go ahead and enter your passkey or your window password. Boom. You have successfully verified your account identity, and with that, your password is going to be synchronized across your Windows device, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.